Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this 40-inch wig from Asteria hair. If you guys are interested in seeing this tutorial, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I'm going to be taking my BTZ Turn Up the Heat. This is a heat protection spray and I'm going to be spraying it on the hair. As you guys can see, I am just twisting it with my ion curling iron. And honestly, the first couple of curls that I did end up coming out kind of trash. So you will see me redo them over. If you guys are wondering, this is a 40-inch wig. This is the lace frontal wig from Austria Hair. And I'm wearing 40 inches. So I am wand curling 40 inches. And I also want to keep in mind that this is straight hair. But I did crimp it the day before because I was going to wear it crimped. But honestly, I really had other plans. So that's how I ended up having these wand curls with crimping over it, well, curling over my crimps. So the key to this is basically I just want to go in with bigger chunks. Like I want big thick wand curls. I don't want any tight small wand curls, and I want them to be chubby. So to get them to have that chubby look, you do have to like squeeze them while they're in your hand before they drop. Right after you curl them, you let them sit and then you let them fold up in your hand when you remove it, and then you just squeeze them and basically like air them out. And that way you'll get these big chunky wand curls, and you do have to take big chunks of hair. So I'm going to continue doing this throughout the video so you guys can basically see what I'm doing. Alright y'all, so I am just about finished with the right side or left side, whatever side it is. And now I'm just going to go ahead and finish off camera with the rest. But this is how it's looking. Alright y'all, so now I've got the wig on. I'm going to be putting some more powder on there just to get it to blend in with my skin a bit better. And I'm going to go ahead and begin to cut off my earpieces. As you guys know, I don't even know, as you guys know, what the fuck I'm talking about. Anyway, so I'm going ahead and cutting off these earpieces. As you guys know, what was I finna say? Alright y'all, as y'all can see though, this lace is perfect. Like, it's really nice and it blends in with my skin perfect. The only issue that I really had with this wig was that it was a bit too small. So one side kind of fit more than the other. So that's one thing too. If you have a nice size head, or if you have a head full of hair, you guys might want to order up a size. So I'm going ahead now and putting my second layer of glue. If you guys don't know already, I am using Ghost Bond. Those are basically the glues I use. I use Ghost Bond or I use Bold Hold. It's whatever I really got. So now I'm just going in and applying that lace to my skin. And as you guys can see, it's melting. It's giving straight scalp. If I'm not mistaken, this might be the side that is actually too small for me. So if you guys really pay attention, you'll kind of see. I kind of struggled getting it to stay down a bit. Excuse me, bless me. I was super sick doing this video, guys. So I did like dig in my nose a few times, but I hope I cut it out. But if I did miss it, please do not judge me in the comments. I am super sick right now, but I did not want to look bummy. So, yep. So like I said, one side was a bit smaller than the other, and of course it's lifting up constantly, but I am going to get it to slick down. I'm now going in. I'm not going to be doing any baby hair. Sorry, I am doing baby hairs. I'm not going to be doing any front swoop. I'm trying to do this little widow's peak look thing that I kind of like, and now I'm doing that without doing a little front swoop. I'm just going to skip that little part. If you guys don't know, I do my baby hairs the same way. I actually have full tutorials on that, and I do like to use She's Bomb gel bomb goo on my baby hairs. So if you guys are interested in a full detailed tutorial on my baby hairs, just go to my page. I probably got like at least 2 videos on that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just skim through this process. Y'all, this wig is melted so nice. Like, it's giving straight scalp tease right now, dog. I'm loving it. So after I finish my baby hairs, I like to take my oil sheen, and this just gives it a nice shine, luster, and it also keeps it from looking dry and crackly. I'm now going to begin on the opposite side of my head and finish out those baby hairs. Now that I'm fully finished with my baby hairs, I'm just finishing out with some oil sheen, and I have my blow dry on cool settings. I'm now going to begin to comb out my curls. This is just going to give it a deeper, looser, wavy look. I absolutely love how this hair came out and the curl patterns of it. This hair is so long, guys. Only if you could really see it. Like, I'm going to upload some pictures so you guys can see. 40 inches. Alright, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I basically filmed this tutorial on this curly wig. This is a 40-inch. I'm sorry, there's a hair in my mouth. It's like all in my face. Alright, so this is a 40-inch wig, and this is hair from Asteria hair. This hair is nice as hell. So basically it's a custom frontal unit, and I'm guessing it's made with like a 20-inch frontal and basically 3 bundles of 40 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and just recurl the front of my head. I used my curling iron to curl this hair. Y'all, this hair is so long. Like 40 inches ain't no joke. Like, it's so long that I can't even like show you guys like on camera. Like, it's really crazy long. So I just wanted to like recurl the top curl that I just did. I wanted to recurl both sides, actually, both front pieces. So this hair was super nice. The lace was good quality. It melted in perfect. I'm gonna zoom in closer so you guys can really get a good view of it. just wanted right here to have like a little lift up spot. So I'm about basically finished with it. I did pluck the middle part, and that was earlier. And I also am going to just be slicking down the top of the hair, and I'm just taking my Fantasia hair spritz, and I'm just going to be spritzing out this top right here. And as you guys can see, like right here is a little over bleached. So real quick, I'm going to just show you how to fix that. You can take an eyeliner, a black eyeliner, and just draw that out, and it's gonna fill in. See? Problem solved. And then I'm going to take some oil sheen, and then I'm just gonna flatten that out. This shit is hot. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm sick, but I cannot tolerate the heat. So I'm gonna stand up and show you guys how long it is. So basically it's all the way past my butt, but you guys can pretty much see it. So yes, y'all, this is the hair. This is how it looks. I'm actually loving it. So I did film how I installed this tutorial, and I filmed myself curling it. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the tutorial. Comment down below some companies you guys want to see me try, and also some styles and colors that you guys would like to see me try. And that's all for the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.